So I have a pen obsession, but I hate boring pens. But I also have another requirement. I need them to write perfectly and super smooth, and I just love a good pen feeling. For me, that's why I got these Mr. Pen. They were sent to me from the brand, but as always, I always give my honest review. For me, I love the gel quick dry formula that I can really write over, and you can see even it dries. My hand is not smudging any of the ink, but these colors are just so fun, so beautiful. As you can see, it really gives you a variety that when you're taking notes at work or in class, that you can really kind of like just jazz up everything and make the notes super more functional, because you can kind of different categories, you can categorize different things with different colors, or even just more fun to look at. For me too, I actually have to hide these pens from my daughter because she's been stealing them. Oh my God, she's been loving to write with these, love to color, and it actually makes her want to do her homework, which is perfect because, as you know, as a mom, there's always a struggle to get homework. But with these pens, they've actually been helping out with that.